Hi everybody, welcome to another Chats with Chaudhry. Today I'm delighted to be joined by my good friend Harold Fischer, who is the marketing director for VTech. And today we're going to be talking about and I have to check this, the Virtual Raman Imaging Poster Summit, which they have launched this week and has been running since, I think, Monday, actually. So it's a really exciting event and we're going to talk about that. But first of all, Harold, how are you?
Hi, yeah, I'm great. Thanks to be here.
Yeah,
Yeah, I enjoy talking to you.
it's great to see you again, Harold. In fact, last time we actually saw each other face to face was actually PitCon, I think, a couple of years ago. It's been that long that I've seen you face to face. And we were hoping to meet each other at Analytica this year, but unfortunately that got postponed and has now gone virtual. But anyway,
Yeah,
before we talk about your event, let's find out a bit more about VTech. For people who are not familiar with VTech, could you tell them a little bit about the company and also about your role within the company?
yes, thanks. I'm happy to do that. Yes, I'm responsible for worldwide marketing here at VTech. So all activities worldwide, US, also Asia. And here at VTech, we produce confocal Raman imaging systems and also correlative Raman imaging techniques. So you can combine 3D Raman imaging, which is a technique which gives you image of the distribution of the chemical compounds. You can combine these images with other microscopic techniques like atomic force microscopy or scanning electron microscopy or profilometry. So our customer, they get then a tool in order to comprehensively characterize their samples, either chemically as well as structurally on the surface.
Fantastic. And in terms of specific applications, are there any applications which your sort of solutions are better for?
The areas of application, they are very broad because Raman is a very nice spectroscopic techniques looking on molecules and chemical bonds, so you can use it more or less everywhere. Major applications are, of course, in material science, like 2D materials, semiconductors. Other areas are life science, biomedical research, as well as pharmaceutical research, where people look on distribution of APIs, in tablets, for example. They use it for product development in that case.
Brilliant. Now, one final question before we start talking about the actual summit. Obviously, you, like everyone else, were affected by lockdown. So how were you able to support your customers during that period?
Of course, we also go virtual. So we have initiated our webinar portal, for example, on our webpage, so we can approach our customers via webinars, and our sales and service teams, they log on to the computer and discuss service issues with the customer virtually. We do online virtual instrument demonstrations. So everything goes virtual. For that reason, we came up with the idea on this poster summit as well.
Perfect. That's a perfect segue. Yeah. So let's talk about Poster Summit. So it's a really interesting idea. So tell us more about the summit. Why did you come up with the idea, and what can people expect to see if they register for it?
Yeah, what we discussed when organizing this was that how can we provide a platform for the scientists to interact? Because if you do virtual events, somebody talks and the other have to listen. We wanted to provide an opportunity where the scientists can interact first, and second, where they can present their data, because they produced data over the past few months and there are no opportunities to present these data to the public and to their colleagues. And that's what we wanted to achieve, to provide a platform where the scientists can interact. And we thought with such a poster summit, with an online poster conference, this is a very good opportunity, because then everybody can load up their poster and everybody can watch the poster, and we have some kind of chat feature where then people can also discuss on the poster itself. And so far, people like that and they use it very frequently. Yeah, very good.
Well, I know, as you said, the summit started, I think, on Monday, so you've already had a couple of days. So how many posters have you got presented at the summit? And, you know, what can people expect to see? You know, what range of topics are covered amongst the posters?
Yes, we got more than 50 submissions for posters, so actually 55 posters people can watch there. And we provide various sessions. This is the materials research session, so advanced materials. Actually, this is the one where we have 23 posters so far. Then we have, of course, environmental and geoscience session, because Raman is also very often used in geoscience, or you look at microplastics in the environment, because you can also do microplastics analysis or microparticle analysis with Raman. And there we have also several posters, and then we have the next big session, which is the life science and biomedical session, where we also see a big number of posters, which is also a very promising and a field where people do a lot of work with Raman currently. And then there is another session, which is the correlative microscopy session, because we do correlative microscopy. We offer systems for correlative microscopy. And of course, a lot of people do correlative microscopy and want to present their data in this field of application as well.
Fantastic. Well, so one final question about the summit. How easy is it for people to attend? Is it free? What's the process?
So it's very easy, actually. Let's say if you want to now attend and watch the posters, you just visit our webpage. It's the Raman Imaging Symposium webpage, where you then get access to the poster session, and you just have to register, and then you can watch the posters. And it's indeed, it's for free. It's for free for the visitors, and it's for free for those who present the posters.
Fantastic. Well, we'll put the link up for the event above the video. So if you're interested in attending the summit, which I hope you are, having heard Harold there, then you can just click on the link and find out more there and register. Alternatively, if you can't make it to the summit this week for whatever reason, we'll put the website address for VTech up there as well, so you can find out more about them. And I also understand you're going to be at Analytica Virtual as well in a couple of weeks, Harold.
Yes, we've decided to participate at Analytica, because Analytica is typically a very good exhibition for us. We meet a lot of customers there, and we definitely want to be part of Analytica, because it's one of the biggest laboratory shows in Europe. It's in Munich. It's not far from us, and we wanted definitely to be there. And for that reason, we decided to participate. We will have a booth. We will present our new automated Apiron confocal Raman imaging system. So a lot of things to see at our booth.
Fantastic. Well, look, again, I'll put the link for Analytica above the video as well. So you've got lots of links to click on, but hopefully first you'll click on the summit link and go and check out the posters, because actually it's quite good. And one thing Harold didn't mention is these posters are covering all techniques of Raman and are not based just around their own equipment. So it is actually truly a proper comprehensive Raman symposium covering a whole range of different applications and workflows as well. So it's definitely worth checking out. So Harold, that's all that's left for me to do, because we've done this at very short notice. So I appreciate you saying yes to doing this so quickly. Thank you very much for your time, for telling me more about that. I hope everyone found that useful. We'll hopefully catch up soon, Harold, and with everyone else, I hope I catch up with you soon as well. So as always, stay well and stay safe. Thanks a lot. Bye-bye.
Yeah, thanks. Bye.